Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to explain about parts of speech tagging for the words in the text corpus. This POS tagging is a process in NLP that involves labeling of each word in a sentence with its corresponding parts of speech. This is very important parts of speech tagging in the text corpus. The main usage of this is syntactic parsing. The POS tags, it helps to identify the syntactic analysis of the sentences. And this is important to parsing and understanding the sentence structure. Basically, the syntactic analysis is a crucial component of natural language processing as it helps to uncover the underlying grammatical structures of sentences, which is very essential for tasks such as machine translation, information extraction, question answering, and sentiment analysis, etc. And the next usage is word sense disambiguation. POS tags, it can help to disambiguate the meanings of words based on their usage in the sentence. For example, there is a word called fly. It can be used as a noun and also it can be used as a verb. And some words are something like bank, bat, crane, plant, books, etc. So these words, they can be used as noun and as well as verb also. So it is always helpful if we tag a parts of speech in that particular sentence for that particular word. That will be more meaningful for the text corpus. And the next usage is named entity recognition. POS tags can be used for feature names entity recognition task, where entities such as people, organization, and locations are identified in the task. So, in some of the text corpus, the if we tag the person names or organization names or location names, something like dates and time expressions or numerical expressions or some product names, specific product names and event names. So these kind of things, if you tag it with the parts of speech tag, then it will be helpful to add value to and to add some meaningful sentences to that text corpus. Information retrieval. That is the next usage. Here, POS tags can be used to improve the search results by identifying certain types. For example, if you go for a Google search and if you write something in the search box and the whatever the search string is there, so if you tag for each word, if we tag the parts of speech in the search word, then that will be helpful to retrieve the information from the database. And there is a library in Python called Natural Language Toolkit. Shortly, we call it as a NLTK. Using that library, we can tag these parts of speech for each and every word in the text corpus. There are some of the tags. It was written here, like CC means coordinating conjunction, CD means cardinal number, DT means determiner. So you can read out all these POS tags and you can understand that a particular tag, POS tag. And here are some more for adverbs, for particle, interjections, and verbs for past tense, base form, participle. So these kind of tags are available in NLTK, and I am going to show you how I will take an example of text corpus uh, and for on Amazon Fine Food reviews, and using that, actually that data set has reviews from the customers, and I will be taking the review text and I will be identifying the unique words from it. For all those unique words, I will try to identify the parts of speech tag from the NLTK library that I am going to show you shortly. If you want to study more about these parts of speech tagging, you can refer here. There are two good books are available here, that is building a large annotated corpus of English, the Penn Tree Bank, Computational Linguistics, and that is from a researcher called Santorini, and there is another book from the same person here. So he's from University of Pennsylvania, Department of Computer and Information Science. You can go through for it. Let me show you how we can tag parts of speech for a text corpus in Python. So for that, I import pandas as PD, and I also import NLTK. Let me run this. Now I have already Amazon Find Food Review dataset, which was pre-processed. I made another video how we can pre-process the raw text corpus. I will give you the link for that video in the description box. Please look into it. I am reading here the pickle file directly saved from that analysis. So here pd.read pickle, and that pickle file name is df preprocessing text.pkl, and here I will be printing the information of the data frame. So I am reading the pickle file. I got an error here. So maybe the file name is wrong. So I just copy paste this file name here. Let me run this. Yeah. So here this pickle file contains the text, the score, pre-processed text, and length of the each sentence. And this overall only 1,000 sentence we have in this pickle file. Then I will try to identify the unique words from this pre-processed text. If we look at the head, the top 5 rows of this data frame, here we can look at it. So the text will have the raw text, and there is a score column, and pre-processed text. It removed all the special characters, numbers, symbols, stop words, and it identified all the lemmatized words. So after that, this pre-processed text column was made, and the length of the sentences contains the number of words in each row of this pre-processed text column. I will be using this pre-processed text column to identify the unique words here. I will make another data frame called df unique is equal to cd dot otherwise df of pre-processed text dot str dot split. Here I expand it after splitting, and I use a stack. From there I will take the value counts. This will return all the unique words with the frequency. This is a series. Now I will reset this one. So the same df unique, I will reset it. Df unique dot reset index. Then I will print df unique dot head. So this will give you all the unique words and count of the unique words. Here, the top 5 unique words are given here because we printed head of the data frame. Now, I wanted to identify the parts of speech for each word, each unique word. For that, I will create another column from the df unique POS tag, and here I use same df unique index column because that has the unique words, and here I apply I apply NLTK dot post tag method. Actually, this post tag method, it accepts only sentence list. So I will be changing this each row of the text. I will be changing into list now. So for that, I will use a lambda function. Lambda space x is str dot split of x, so that each word will be split and it will be converted as a list, and that list will be passed to this NLTK post tag. So that you can see here there are some examples given. So if you give the sentence with word tokenize, so word tokenize, it will tokenize the sentence and it will give you return the list of words. And this list of words, if you send to this post tag, and each word will be tagged with a uh, parts of speech, and it will be returned as a list here. So let me add the first 10 rows of information I wanted to print here. Yes. See here, the chip, the count is 659, but the chip is a noun. And like, flavor, taste, good, bag, one, great, product, food, all these keywords are tagged with a parts of speech. And if you if you want to know this tag details, then you can go to this presentation and you can identify here which parts of speech it belongs to. Hope this video is helpful for you to understand the tagging of parts of speech for each word in the text corpus and the usage of the POS tags for various NLP tasks. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.